This video provides a demonstration of how to use Ocean Conservancy's TIDES database to search for and download trash trap cleanup data from the ITTN. The International Trash Trap Network, or ITTN, is an initiative led by Ocean Conservancy and the University of Toronto Trash Team. The ITTN unites local groups around the world using trash traps to increase global cleanup efforts. The network aims not only to remove plastic from the environment, but also to use trash traps to engage communities, gather data to quantify our impact, and inform and motivate upstream solutions. By combining our efforts, we can better measure our collective work to clean up plastic waste worldwide and amplify the impact of local programs. TIDES is the world's largest database of trash in the environment. Included in this database is data collected by trash trap users around the world, alongside data collected by citizen scientists during shoreline cleanups throughout the year and during Ocean Conservancy's international coastal cleanup events. To view the TIDES database, visit coastalcleanupdata.org. Once you reach the website, first navigate to the top right of the screen to sign up and create an account. This is a separate login from the CleanSort app, but you can use the same email address when setting up your TIDES account. All we need for this is some basic information, including your name and email address, your preferred units of measurement, and your language preference. Once you have signed up, you can log in using your new account. To get started in TIDES, click on the View Reports header on the menu at the top right of your screen. In doing so, a map of the world should appear, showing pins in locations where cleanups have been reported. This view includes both trash trap and shoreline cleanup data. In the menu along the green bar at the top of the map, you will see options to adjust the cleanup dates, the group names, and the cleanup type that you see on the map. All of these are optional ways to refine the data you are viewing in the database. On the right side of your screen, you will see different country reports. This menu allows you to select specific reports from the data you are viewing to download. To refine the data to what you are looking for, first, select the cleanup dates. By clicking the drop-down menu, you can select data reported in a specific year, in the last few months or 30 days, or you can select a custom range. For this demonstration, I'm going to select all data reported in 2024. Don't forget to click Submit after you select the cleanup dates to make sure the data is filtered. When the data is filtered, you will see an orange update appear in the top right corner of the screen. After you have selected your cleanup dates, you have the option to refine your search results further using the group name search. For this search function, you'll need to know the specific name of a group that has reported data in TIDES. It's important to note here that sometimes a group name may have variations with different spellings in the database, or they may use an acronym. Be mindful of this when you enter and search for data. Start typing the name of the group you want to view data for. If you can see your chosen group name on the drop-down list, select this and you will see that it now reads One Selected next to the Group Names heading. You can select multiple group names at once by searching for a second group and selecting them from the list. Note how when I selected a second group from the drop-down menu, the text changed to read To Selected next to group names. Click the Submit button again once you have made your group name selection. When using this tool, notice that the database will now only show data from the selected groups, but the map does not automatically zoom in. Next, to view trash trap data only, select Trash Trap Data from the cleanup type options above the map. Click the Submit button again and you will see that all pins on the map have now turned yellow, and you are now viewing only the trash trap data within the system. Within the database, you can view and download trash trap data at a global scale, as we have here in the default view, or you can zoom in to a specific area. To zoom in on the map, hover over your area of interest and scroll using the mouse. When you are hovering over the map, you will notice that your mouse arrow turns into a hand shape. You can move around the map by dragging the image using the hand. Alternatively, you can select the diamond shape in the bottom right corner to view the manual buttons, move around, and zoom in and out on the map. You can also search for a specific location using the search bar at the top of the map. Here you can see, as I type, drop-down options become available, so just select the option that best suits what you are looking for. You can now see, once I have selected a location, the map automatically zooms into the area of interest. The final feature for refining your data search is the polygon tool. This is handy to use if you are looking for data from a particular stretch of coastline or a specific section of waterway. To use the polygon tool, we suggest first zooming into your area of interest. For example, let's use Toronto. Here you can see we have data points along the water and also some that are inland. Say that I'm just interested in the data entries along the waterfront, and I only want to select those to view the data. I can do this using the polygon tool. Using your mouse, select the shape icon in the top right corner of the map, and you will see that your mouse now turns into a cross shape. Click around your selected area to create a polygon and close the shape by clicking on your original point. You will now see the polygon turns into a shaded color to identify the area you have selected. Once you have selected the data you need, it's time to view and download it. To view the data, you will need to navigate to the Planet Earth Reports box on the right-hand side and select Earth. In the list that appears, you will see several options, but these will all be locked apart from the last on the list that reads Trash Trap Data. These other options are locked in this example as they are data for shoreline cleanups, not trash traps, which is what we have selected here. Click the Trash Trap Data link to see a preview of the data. You will see a preview screen pop up showing the data categories along the top row with a dark blue background, and each data entry as a row beneath with a white background. This preview will only show up to 100 data entries, so to view the entire dataset, click the download button at the top, which looks like a cloud with an arrow pointing down inside it. Or alternatively, you can click Download Report right at the bottom of the preview screen. Your data will now download as an Excel CSV file. Thank you for watching this demonstration on how to use Ocean Conservancy's TIDES database to view and download trash trap data from the ITTN. Don't forget, if you have a trash trap and would like to contribute your trash trap data to the ITTN and the TIDES database, you can do so by downloading the CleanSwell app or by sharing your data with us via email. If you have any further questions about using TIDES or interpreting the data, please get in touch with us at info@trashtrapnetwork.org and visit our website for more information about the International Trash Trap Network.